Hello everyone, this is John Cleese with Lake Effect Garden and Design, and we're here at Sunset Oasis. We've shown you this property before. We're just on the hill in downtown Saugatuck here in southwest Michigan on Lake Michigan. And we wanted to show you some beautiful year 3 plantings that have now come in. Hairy Penstemon, which is right here. You get a little close up of this. This is just now starting to come into bloom. Again, it's a little bit early because we've had a warm spring this year. But this is a super important plant to put into your native gardens because it's such an early bloomer, so it really helps with all the pollinators. We also have sort of common fleabane or daisy fleabane. We didn't plant that, but I have yet to put in a garden, at least here in West Michigan, where that doesn't find a way. And it's awfully pretty, it's not invasive, I just leave it, it's not a big deal. We also can see here, again in May, this is going to be tall Coreopsis. It's going to be very tall. This will probably get at least 5 feet high in this garden. This is on a hillside that has a lot of moisture, but it also has very, very bright sun. Perfect for that. And you can see a little bit of Monarda or Balm that's starting to come through as well here in May. That's also growing in the garden. We've got some grasses, and then Rosinweed, which of course is my favorite, one of my favorite Silphiums. And this is also going to get pretty big and is doing very, very well in this garden. Again, this garden was planted by plugs. This is year 3 in the springtime. So, you know, there's always that tension about whether or not tension so much, but in terms of a cost saving, should I do my native garden by seeds or should I do it by plug? I'm going to split the middle and be political and say that it's good to do both. So we have plugged this, but I've also came in last fall and have also done some seeding in between some bare spots as well, because it's difficult for me to get into this planting anymore. But again, look what you get if you do native plugs within 3 years. It's pretty amazing. So I hope you like this video and I hope you'll keep planting native. My name is John Cleese, and again, hope you'll visit our website and check back in for more videos throughout the summer. Have a good one.